What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to Painfully Honest Advice. So I just quit dividend investing. In this video, I'm going to go ahead share with you guys what my new strategy is going forward and where I'm looking to basically go ahead and put my money. Now here's the thing, guys. I have a dividend-based portfolio that I have about $60,000 in currently, but I'm changing my overall strategy. What I've learned is with dividend investing, it's a great way to go ahead and make some additional money, but the compound effect just takes way too long. My goal going forward is going to be to go ahead and focus on investments that I can go ahead and 10x my money in 5 years. So I'm going very aggressive on growth at this point. And I'm not kidding, guys, I am going all in on growth at this point because here's the thing, I'm too young at this point to focus on dividends because I'm not looking to retire. I like the idea of investing in dividends and dividend-based stocks because with reinvesting that money that you're getting from those companies, you're making some cash flow, but the money's just not growing quick enough at this point. No, I'm not going to go ahead and sell out of my dividend stocks that I currently have, but I am going to go ahead and pretty aggressively focus on investing in a couple different ways with the goal that I don't need this money for at least the next 5 to 10 years. And these are going to be ways that I'm basically going to go ahead and look at eventually getting 10x returns. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, if you're new to the channel, I do like to go ahead and focus on investing in the stock market, investing in passive income or ways to go ahead and basically 10x my money. I like to go ahead and dig deep, dive into different ways to go ahead and invest and see where I'm getting the maximum return. Now, the first way, this is a way that I actually recently started investing, and that's going to be by investing in 10x growth stocks. Now, this to me is probably the safest way on this list. And that's because with growth stocks, these are going to be stocks like Tesla, like Palantir, like Peloton, like Shopify, and the list goes on. I've made a bunch of videos on this channel about my 10x growth stocks. And these stocks are all going to have the potential to go ahead and grow over the next 5 years and at least 10x. These are going to be investing in stocks that are basically the innovators in their industry and that are looking to go ahead and change the game. I like to go ahead and diversify, however, in the different types of sectors within these 10x stocks. So stocks in this include Lemonade, which is basically in the insurance field, or Roblox, which is in the gaming field, and they're basically a platform that you can go ahead and create your own games on. And that's basically going to be my goal throughout this investment, is to focus on 10x stocks. And practically the main reason for this is because I do believe there's a lot of potential right now to go ahead and invest in 10x type of stocks. And with the dividend strategy, I'm just not making enough at this point. And I've been investing, guys, for over a year now, but I'm finally deciding to go ahead and shift the strategy fully over to growth. Now, the next one here is gonna be a bit riskier, and I'm not sure if this is going to be the riskiest one, but this is going to be by investing in cryptocurrency. Now, currently, as I'm recording this video, Dogecoin is going to the moon, and that's because Dogecoin almost crossed 40 cents at this point, and by the time this video comes out, we'll see where it's at. It could be about 50 cents or it could be down to 10 cents. You just don't know with this type of investment. But I'm not going to go ahead and suggest to invest in Dogecoin because that cryptocurrency was made as a fun project. So my goal is going to be to invest in actual projects that actually have a reasoning behind them and that actually have a use behind them. So in regards to cryptocurrency, I actually started investing in cryptocurrency over a year now. And when I go ahead and compare the growth in my cryptocurrency to my stock portfolio, which I started at the same time with the same amount of investment, my cryptocurrency is up over 300%, where my stock portfolio is still sitting at about 20% growth. So this is obviously very, very risky, but I do believe cryptocurrency is a new asset class that everybody's gonna want to have at least a little bit of a share in. And some of the cryptocurrencies that I'm personally investing into myself is gonna be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, and I did start a small position in Omecoin as well because they have a licensing play with Pokemon. But I do believe the blockchain is going to go ahead and reinvent the way that we do things with decentralized platforms that are going to go ahead and just take over the day-to-day uses. So I am very bullish on cryptocurrency and the future for cryptocurrency. Again, though, this is going to be very speculative. It's going to be a very risky investment. So if you are focused on this type of investment, invest at your own risk. And now the third thing that I like to go ahead and invest in, and why I'm getting out of dividend investing, is because I want to go ahead and expand my business. Now here's the thing. Having a business is probably the riskiest one on this list, and it does take the most work, but it does have the best rewards as well. I like to go ahead and focus on making additional passive income or creating other ways that I'm actually making income so I can go ahead and reinvest that money and let this money go ahead and compound over time. YouTube to me at this point is another business. I am focused on YouTube. I have a schedule that I like to go ahead and stay on and at least provide 2 videos a week. I like to go ahead and post a video every Monday and every Friday. And at this point, I look at it like a business because at the end of the day, it's building me passive income. And as long as I'm creating some value, I believe this business has the potential to grow. So this is one way to go ahead and start a business. Now, I do own other businesses as well in the insurance sector, as well as in the retail sector. I have multiple restaurants that I own at this point. The thing with any of this is to start a business, it does take effort or time or money. It's one of the hardest things to actually overcome, but it's the most lucrative. If you want to go ahead and create actual wealth, it will take time in the beginning, but once you go ahead and figure it out, you can go ahead and streamline it, put operations in place, put people in place, and let that go ahead and build you passive income in the long term. So I am gonna go ahead and I'm basically focusing on doubling down on the businesses at this point as well. But guys, these are actually 3 different ways that I'm looking at focusing on 10x growth through investing in growth stocks, which is probably the easiest one to go ahead and get started with, and then focusing on investing in cryptocurrency, which is extremely risky, but it could be really lucrative, especially as I see cryptocurrency being a brand new asset class. And this, to me, we're still in the first innings. So that's just my opinion around that. And then thirdly, going ahead and doubling down on the businesses to go ahead and grow that so it can go ahead and build me more cash flow and passive income in the long term. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found some value in regards to what are some ways to go ahead and grow for 10x type of returns, and simply why I'm quitting dividend-based investing. But thank you again, guys, for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to smash that like button. Now, if you are interested in investing with M1 Finance, personally, I recommend that for any type of growth investor. You do get $30 when you go ahead and set up an account with them. It is one of the best platforms out there for an investor that's looking to invest in the stock market. But thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys at the next one.